Okay, now let's just see if we shove this in there if it's going to stay. That's going to stay.
Ta-da! And that is the
This
smaller
is going
gauge.
to be the foot.
Okay, and you made
the
that
flipper.
little. Maybe I wasn't paying attention. I don't recall watching you make that.
Nah, I just made it while you guys were futzing with my mic.
Okay. Good.
So basically, it's just a triangle, an upside down triangle that I then twisted and has 2 prongs. So I'm going to use this for my foot.
Cool.
Okay.
Simple triangle, and you would
So-
say 2 inches? That's not the same as the
It's
foot.
you and your
I know.
measurements. Yeah, it's about 2 inches, and by 2
Okay.
inches by 2 inches. All right, so I'm going to do the same thing as we did with the beak. We are going to cut. Oh, I'm going to use that.
That's okay.
We're going to cut this and put it over, fold it in half, and so the wire is embedded in our fondant. Now again, I would let this sit for a while and harden because it is going to be more secure. We're in a hurry, so we can't do that. But I would create this and then I would let it sit.
For how long?
At least an hour.
Okay.
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 Because you want it to have structure and support. And right now it doesn't because it's fresh fondant that we just cut. But again, we're in a hurry, so we're not going to be able to do that. So we're going to cross our fingers. So I've created his little flipper with his little 3
Webbed.
toes,
Little
webbed
3
little
toe.
feet.
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and put this one in the freezer just to give us some support for this. I want it to be as successful as we can. So let's go ahead and put this in the freezer so that it has a little bit more integrity. All right,
Looking good.
where are we? Okay, so
They're calling those toothpicks penguin piercings.
yeah, he does. He has his 2 little lips pierced. I love that. You guys crack me up.
Yes, they do.
All right. Okay, so let's see where we are now.
Thanks, Dawn.
Why don't we build up our bottom? Because the last thing I'm going to do is the wings. So I'm going to take this off because we're ready to build up our little hill. All right. I'm going to take some Rice Krispie treats. You can use fondant. You can use whatever you want. But I'm going to use Rice Krispie treats. Or rice cereal treats. And it's about the right size, so I'm good with that. So I'm just going to kind of build it up here. Press it down around his little phalange.
So this is snow.
This will be snow.
Going to be snow.
Yeah.
Or the snow mound anyway.
Yeah.
There we go.
All right. So, and I'm not doing anything exact because it's just kind of a hill. The goal is to hide the flange.
Hide the flange.
Hide the flange. That's our goal.
Or once again, bury the phalange.
Bury the flange.
We're going to bury the phalange with Rice Krispie treats.
Now this, you can see I'm not attaching with chocolate because it's going to
Yeah.
stay. I'm actually going to take it off my turntable because it's bugging me that it's rocking on the turntable.
She's rocking the turntable.
All right, so I'm just pushing that right onto the board. If you think that people might eat this, paint chocolate underneath it.
There you go.
Where this is going, nobody's going to eat it, so I'm not going to worry about that.
Rita suggests that marshmallows covered in white fondant will also make great snow mounds.
Oh yeah, that's a great idea.
It's a great idea, Rita. Thank you.
Okay. All right, so I've got my little snow mound. I'm not going to get too involved with it. That's my snow mound. I'm going to wash my hands so I got the Rice Krispie treats off of it. And I'm going to take my white and roll it out and cover it with snow.